Hello guys, uh, welcome to I Will Do It Forever YouTube channel. I'm Anant and today we learn about addition in Excel. It's a very simple and this is for beginners, students and for ambitious learner. The objective is to learn the addition in a very simple way in short time. So I request you to watch this till end. If you like it, like the video, share and subscribe the channel so that you get my future videos. So give your feedback by commenting below my YouTube video. So let's start. I will open the Excel file. So addition is a very basic common concept we use in our day-to-day life. So we can add by using plus symbol, and we can add the numbers by using sum function and using Excel shortcut, that is alt equal. We can add the numbers. So let's take some sample values. So I just type random 10, 50, 60, 30, 40, 15. Okay. So I want to add these numbers by using plus. Okay. So let's equal this plus and so on. So yeah, so I got 2 not 5, which is right. So I will take the same copy here, and now we try for Excel sum function. I got sum, and you double click and then select the range, close the parenthesis and then enter. You get the same output and copy here. Let's try shortcut. I'm pressing alt and equal. It picks automatically. Now this is 2 not 5. Why I have taken these 3 examples? To begin, we use plus symbol. As and when we keep using Excel, we use to a next level, we may use sum function, and then we go to shortcuts. So using shortcuts in Excel will speed up our day-to-day operations, work at workplace. So just uh, uh, keep practicing this, and let me know if you have any feedback. Please comment it in my YouTube video. Thank you for watching.